up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Saham back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be getting lip fillers. Yes, this is my first time and I am so excited because I've never done this. And I also have a special guest with me today, which is my cousin.
Hi guys.
He's going to be getting his lips done as well.
Oh, this is gonna be exciting.
Y'all, I am so excited to get my lip fillers. I've always wanted this, so I'm finally going for it. Next up is my BBL. But anyways, I didn't want to make the intro too long, so I think I'm just gonna start. What?
Daddy.
No, he's ugly. Anyways, I didn't want to make the intro too long, so I'm gonna start recording once I'm in the doctor's office, and I will catch you guys in a minute.
Stop! You're a fucking bitch.
So I can't talk too much because this is some numbing cream on my lips, but she just came in here and put numbing cream on both of us.
We're getting adjustable lips.
Oh my god, it got on my tongue. Oh my god, y'all. I'm so excited. Huh?
She really puts it on your bottom. She put it like on your side.
Since we're gonna do client.
I had a dream about Drake last night. And that was so random.
Oh,
It was a good dream though.
oh my god.
Like, oh my god.
Y'all, I am so numb.
That's good, girl. Cause you'll still feel it a little bit.
Yeah.
You will feel the pecs.
If you want to, I'm already almost done with him. If you want to, you can go in the restroom, spit, clean your mouth. If you want to.
No,
Like wipe this off?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna do that.
So your sleeper side is going to be the side that you age more on. So you're going to start seeing like a crease here. And down here you're getting a little bit right here.
For body contouring, I think you know Dana. She was with me before, and then Tiffany does lashes and contouring and all things beautiful for your eyes.
Smile.
And then a storage closet, and then.
You can edit this later.
Okay. Open and then smile again for me. Stay like that.
Hey y'all. On the next episode of Botched. Oh my god. This is so cute. What's up, babe?
We love you, Dana.
We love Dana. Like, she is so sweet, y'all.
Hell yeah, she is.
She knows so much, like, about injections. Like, I put my trust into her and she did a good job. It is like a little swelled, and this side might look a little big just because it's gonna be bruised, but
Yeah, I see the bruising she was talking about.
yeah, I don't know if y'all see it, but it's a little bruised on this side, so it's gonna be a little bigger, but it should go down. But I cannot wait to like look at it afterwards. But it looks so good right now too.
Yeah, tell you if we do our makeup.
Y'all, if y'all are in Houston, go get your lips done by her. She is amazing and she is so sweet. Like, oh my god, I had the best experience here. And sorry, I'm probably not gonna talk too much because I can't talk right now. But yeah, go get your lip injections by her. And honestly, do you have anything else to say?
No, but if you guys want to check her out, we'll put her in the description.
Yeah,
Just
he always like has a good experience with her, so
yeah.
y'all, she's amazing. Hey, what's up guys? So I couldn't really talk yesterday because my lips were so bruised, and so I decided to make a little clip of me answering any questions that y'all had. I did post a few pictures on my Instagram if y'all seen it, And a whole bunch of y'all asked me questions about the lip fillers, like how it feels, how long it lasts, and just different questions that I wanted to answer for y'all. Plus, my cousin did not record that much footage of me actually getting my lips done, so I kind of do need to make this video just a bit longer. But let me just get into answering all of the questions, and then if y'all have any more, just leave it down in the comment section. So someone said, how do the lip fillers feel? She put on numbing cream on my face, she put numbing cream on my lips first, and then she waited 10 minutes until my lips were fully numb, and then that's whenever she started injecting. But it didn't hurt at all whenever she was injecting. I think it's because I have a higher pain tolerance, so I don't know. If you have a low pain tolerance, you can probably still feel it a little bit, because I'm not gonna lie, I did feel the needle going in, but I didn't feel the fillers, like, I don't know, I couldn't feel the fillers just like going inside. I just felt the needle. So I was pretty numb, so there's nothing really to worry about as far as like getting it done. If you want to get it done, go get it done. It honestly, another question that I'm about to answer since we're talking about this is, how long did she take? So she's pretty fast with her work, and she's also really good. And it took her a little less than 10 minutes to honestly get mine done, and then I was already out of the office. Like, she did it so fast. She did mine and my cousin's within like 20 minutes, and she did really good. They were like more plump yesterday and more bruised, but like the only bruising left is like right here. And it honestly looks so good. And I also got like a lip flip, and if y'all don't know what that is, basically it kind of like flips your lip right here. And she told me that it was going to kick in 3 days, but I can kind of see that it is already kicking in. Basically what it does is kind of stop your nerves until like the Botox goes away. It's Botox, y'all. So she puts Botox right here, and you're basically only able to move your bottom lip. I don't know, that's how my cousin explained it. I didn't go too deep into it, so that's what he basically told me, and I just wanted to share that with y'all. Somebody else asked about the price, and the price for, like, I paid $400, so that's pretty cheap for lip fillers. If you go anywhere else, I feel like they charge you $600 to $800. So $600 to $800 is the minimum payment. If it's anything over that, that's way too much. And you know, I paid $400, so mine was actually pretty cheap. She's not the only person I think that does it for $400. So if y'all are not in Houston, then I'd suggest like finding somebody that's really good. I mean, the price shouldn't matter, the quality of the work should. I forgot if I answered this or not, but someone said, how long does it last? So lip fillers generally last up to a year, but you can get it done again before that year is up, because the first time you get your lips done, they go down a lot, like it dissolves fast. But the second time you do it, it just keeps layering on, so it's just gonna be more plump. This session, she honestly focused more on making my lips look even than like plump, but she also did plump it up just a little bit, which I really liked, because I didn't feel like my lips were even at all, and it kind of made my face look asymmetrical. So I feel like, because I was gonna get Botox in the other places of my face, because I thought like my face was not like even, but ever since I got my lips, it's gone way more even, and I don't even need anything else. But yeah, I'm also gonna be going in for another session, I think, before I leave Houston, just because I want it more plump, and I want more like filler in the middle now, just because I did more on the side just to make it even. So I want her to focus more on the middle. And then the way she did mine was she just focused more on like right here, and then she put like a whole bunch on my bottom lip just because my top lip was bigger. And what I really liked about her is that she told me like how I was sleeping, like she could figure it out just by looking at my face. So she was like, she knew I slept on this side of my face just because of how my face was, and she told me that the side you sleep on is the side that ages the most. Oh my god, there's a bug. I can kind of tell, but she did an amazing job. And here's just like another close-up I want to show y'all. So it did go down, but like it's still so good. Y'all, if y'all haven't noticed, if y'all have been watching me, I talk so different than I did before. Like, look at my lip shape and everything. It's so funny. But y'all, I'm outside because my friends are playing loud music in the house, so I wanted to come out here and make this little footage because I couldn't yesterday because it was so bruised. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Y'all tell me how it looks. I know it's a little like swelled right now and they look super fucking big, but it is gonna go down and I'm always gonna come back and get this done. So stay tuned for the second video. Y'all, I cannot talk, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below for more amazing content. And I will catch you guys in the next video.